Good morning, students. Actually, all the students of Siddharth Sisudan are welcome for virtual class, electronic class. It is known to everybody due to the global problem, that is COVID-19 problem, coronavirus problem. It is a communicable disease, so that we have to maintain the distance. For that, we have started virtual class, electronic class. Student, you all are welcome. Electronic class, virtual class, and study well. As well as you inform to the other students about these activities we are going to start. Actually, student, we are trying to provide some alternative solutions, alternative education to the student, so that student can get some benefit from the school, from the teachers. For that, again, you are heartily welcome for electronic classes, virtual classes. Myself, Manoj Bharti, I am going to teach computer science. Yesterday I have taught you about the control statement, and today we are going to discuss about the types of selection statement. Student of class 9 and 10, listen. This study I have discussed about the selection statement. There are 4 types of selection statement: single if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and nested if statement. What is if statement? What is if statement? Student, in a program, if you want to write a single condition, in a program, if you want to write a single condition, then if statement is used. For example, suppose you are going to make a meaningful program to display the mark sheet of a student. In that case, you have to take a student roll number, you have to take a student name, you have to take a different subject's mark. And you know very well, if you are going to take a student roll number, then roll number is always positive. कुनै पनि विद्यार्थीको रोल नम्बर नेगेटिभमा हेरेको छ, पोइन्टमा हेरेको छ, छैन. In that case, if you are going to take a roll number, you must check by the help of if statement whether the roll number is given correctly or not, means roll number is given positive or not. For that, student, single if statement is used. One example I am going to give you. Here, CLS, suppose start. Input, give a student roll number. Here, if statement, if are greater than, less than 0, then print invalid roll number. Go to start. Other statements are there. I am going to explain this very simple program. Student, I told you this program statement will be executed from top to bottom. CLS, always you have seen I write a CLS statement at the top of the program. Kina, because this program you have written in the edit window, and when this program is executed, it gives the result in the other window. That window is known as output window. Output window. In that case, student, if previous program को, अगाडि को program को, पहिला को program को अगर यहाँ केही output बसेको छ, तब के हुन्छ? तिम्रो output र यो output mix up भइहाल्छ. In that case, CLS statement is used to clean, erase all the previous output of the output window. That is complete. What are the output? What are the matters are printed in the output window? It is erased. It is clean. Start. I told yesterday, if any word is preceded by a colon, it is nothing but a label name. Input statement executed. When it is executed, double quotes. This is the double quotes. Double quotes ko bhitra ma what we write? It is known as the message. Same message it will display in the output window. Give a student roll number. Give a student roll number, it will be active. You will understand, my program is asking a roll number of student. Suppose you have given -6, for example, just assume that. You have given -6. That -6 will be the value of R. R is the variable which is denoted here the student roll number. अब यहाँ हर knows if statement, if is a conditional statement, conditional will be checked. R value -6 less than 0. Yes, condition is true. -6 less than 0. Yes, condition is true. Yes, condition is true. It comes in the body of if statement. This print statement executed. Your message यहाँ दिया था invalid roll number. Invalid roll number, and after that this go to statement executed. It send the cursor again at the position of a star. It send the cursor again at the position of a star, and when the cursor goes up, again the input statement executed. Give a student roll number. Again it will display give a student roll number. Again it will like student roll number 0% because you have given the roll number. That is not correct. Suppose you have given now 6. Then 6 will be the value of R. अब condition check गर्छ फेरि condition check गर्छ if R that is 6 less than 0, no, condition is false. Condition is false, then if statement is not executed, इसको मतलब print statement is not executed, it will not display invalid roll number, it will not go up to again take a input roll number. In that case, when the condition of if statement is false, it comes down without executing this part. It comes down at the bottom of if statement, and it will execute the next statement and continue the execution of the program. What have you understood? You have understood that single if statement is used in the program. The single if statement is used to write a single condition in the program. कुन अवस्थामा सिंगल इफ स्टेटमेंट हामीले प्रोग्राममा युज गर्नुपर्छ? यो अवस्थामा कुनै एउटा कन्डिसनलाई चेक गर्नुपर्छ, कुनै एउटा मीनिङफुल कन्डिसनलाई चेक गर्नुपर्छ. इन दैट केस वी राइट a single if statement. Now if else statement, when in the program there is a two condition like negative positive, like even odd, like pass fail. So when in the program there are two conditions, in that case if else statement is used. Again I am going to write if else statement. If else statement means in the program, for first condition you have to write a if statement, and for the second condition you have to write a else statement. I am again going to write one program. Students, let us see, we are going to write one program. For that, suppose you are going to write a program to take a number and check whether it is negative or positive. The negative positive को लागि फेरि CLS input statement. Input simply you can write any message A equal to A input, B equal to B. If statement if A greater than B, then print A is greater, else print B is greater, and in the rest. Here in this situation there are two conditions in the program. What condition? Suppose you are going to take a two number, which one is greater? Either A will be greater or B will be greater. Two print statements are there. Let us see, I am going to execute from the Beginning CLS, again it perform the same task, it remove all the things of the output window. यो कसको काम हो? यो CLS स्टेटमेन्ट को काम हो. मैले भनिसकेको छु हरेक कमान्ड को आफ्नो आफ्नो काम हुन्छ. एउटा एरोप्लेन बन्छ के एरोप्लेन इज अ सिंगल डिवाइस. एउटा फ्यान छ, यो फ्यान इज अ सिंगल डिवाइस. नो, small devices are connected each other, small parts are connected each other to make up one main device, one machine. The same way, to make a program, many commands are written together, many statements are written together, and हर एक statement को अपना अपना काम होता है. That is CLS. It remove all the things of the output window. By the help of input statement, this statement will be executed, written double quotes written A equal to same thing it will display A equal to what? Suppose you have given 5, then automatically 5 will be the value of A. The same student, second input statement executed, written B equal to, it will display B equal to what? Suppose you have given 4, then 4 will be the value of B. We have given two numbers from the keyboard that has gone to the A and B variable by the help of input statement. By the help of input statement. Now condition will check if A. अब A को value कितना था? 5. B को value कितना था? 4. The 5 greater than 4. Yes, condition is true. Yes, condition is true. It comes in the body of if statement. This print statement executed. यहाँ लिखे को था A is greater, it will display A is greater, and after that student, when the if statement is executed, else statement will not executed. Else statement will not executed. भन्नु को मतलब either if or else. पहले if statement execute भइहाल्यो भने else statement will not be executed. Come down. In if statement to close the body of if statement, in the statement is used to terminate and stop the program execution. Again, second time, I am executing the same program by taking another number. Again, let us student. Again, I am going to start from input. Again, suppose you are going to give a number from the keyboard. Suppose you have given A value. Suppose you have given 3, and B value you have given suppose 8. अब नया value था. त्यो बेलामा A B को value अर्कै थियो. Now the value of A becomes 3 and B becomes 8. So on the basis of new number, condition will be checked. A, that is 3, greater than B, that is 8. So 3 greater than 8. No, condition is false. And जब condition false भी आजा, the if statement is not executed. मतलब if statement को भित्रमा जुन statement हरु लेखेको छ, that will not execute because condition is false. It comes the other condition, that is the default condition. That is the default condition. It comes in the body of else part. This print statement executed. What is written here? B is greater. It will display here student. B is greater. In this statement, to close the body of if statement, in this statement, stop and terminate the program execution. What have you seen? Selection statement. मतलब program मा दुईटा condition थियो. In that case, if र else statement is used. If र else statement is used. जब program मा तीनवटा condition हुन्छ, चारवटा condition हुन्छ, पाँचवटा condition हुन्छ, then if else if statement is used. When in the program more than two conditions. When in the program more than two conditions, in that case if else if statement is used. Like a student calculation of distinction, calculation of first division, second division, third division and fifth division. How many conditions are there? That many if else statement is used. If else if statement is used. I am going to write very simple program to make your concept clear. How to use the if else if statement in a program. Suppose student, we are going to take very simple program. You are going to take three numbers. And to find the greatest number. Then how many numbers are there? 3. ABC मा भ्यालु दिएको छ तो which one will be greatest? Either A will be greatest or B will be greatest or C will be greatest. So how many conditions are there? 3 conditions. And when in the program more than 2 conditions, then if else if statements are used. If else if statements are used. Let us see now. Two inputs I have already written. Third input I am going to write. Input. Suppose C equal to C. Condition. First condition. If A greater than B and A greater than C, then print A is greatest. Else if B greater than A, B greater than C, then print B is greatest. B is greatest. And else ma print C is greatest. And if see first if statement, else if statement, else statement. Kotita condition? 3 condition. The for first condition if statement, for second condition else if statement, and for last condition else statement. I have already told you when in the program there are more than 2 conditions. In that case if else if statement is used. जब 4वटा हुन्छ तो जब 4वटा हुन्छ तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन को लागि if statement, लास्ट कंडीशन को लागि else statement, बीचमा कतिवटा बच्यो 2वटा तो 2वटा को लागि else if statement. फर्स्ट र लास्ट को लागि फर्स्ट को लागि if statement, लास्ट को लागि else statement र बीचको 2वटा को लागि else if statement. Now student here first को लागि if statement, last को लागि else statement, बीचमा एउटै बच्यो so that we have written else if statement. Let us examine the logic. Check how it is executed, how it is working. Just assume that by the help of input statement you are going to give a number from the keyboard. Suppose I have given 4, 6 and 2. From the output window we have to give, just assume that we have given 4, 6, 2. The value of A becomes 4, the value of B becomes 6 and the value of B becomes 2. Condition will be checked. A, the value of A is 4. The 4 greater than B. B value is 6. False. A, the value of A is 4. 4 greater than 2. True. The अब के हेरियो एउटा condition false अर्को condition true. एउटा condition false अर्को condition true. In that case and operator is there, it returns false result. You have studied in the previous class. And operator returns only true result when all the statements are true. In this case, one is false and one is true. In that case, it returns the false result. And when the result is false, if a statement को भित्रमा जुन this print statement is written, that will not execute it. That will not execute it. It goes the other condition, that is else part. And condition will be checked. Here written B, the value B is 6. 6 greater than A, एक value 4 था. 6 greater than 4, true. यहाँ पर is B, that is 6. 6 greater than C, C value is 2. 6 greater than 2, yes. अब here knows, this is also true and that is also true. Both are true in that case and operator returns true result. And when the result is true, it comes in the body of else if statement. This print statement will be executed as today. यहाँ के लेखेको छ print B is greater, the output window मा display गर्छ B is greatest, not greater, B is greatest, and this else if statement executed, then else part will not executed in the if statement to close the body of if statement, in the statement stop and return leave the program execution. यहाँ एउटा क्वेशन तिमीले राइज गर्न सक्छ कि सर यो else if स्टेटमेन्ट त एक्जिक्युट भयो तर एल्स किन भएन? होइन स्टुडेन्ट, जब सिलेक्सन स्टेटमेन्टमा कुनै एउटा स्टेटमेन्ट एक्जिक्युट गर्छ आइदर इफ or else if or else कुनै एउटा स्टेटमेन्ट एक्जिक्युट हुन्छ. In this situation, in this case, else if statement को condition true है, this statement is executed, then else statement will not be executed. Comes down in if statement to close the body of if statement, and in this statement stop and terminate the program execution. That is the if else if statement. अब एउटा nested if statement छ. This nested if statement छ तर क्लास 10 को कन्सेप्ट को आधारमा छैन. 11, 12 र यो बी मा पढाइ हुन्छ. पढ्छ पढाइदिन्छु. नेस्टेड इफ स्टेटमेन्ट को मतलब के हुन्छ? See the skeleton of nested if statement. We are writing, suppose if condition मा then फेरि त्यसको भित्रमा अर्को if statement, if condition true. Here statement end if end. अब यहाँ के हेर्नुहोस्, यो if statement कहाँ लेखेको छ? अर्को if statement को भित्र. यहाँ जुन मैले डैश डैश दिएको छु त्यसको भित्र तिमीले अर्को if statement पनि लेख्न सक्छौ. Many programming languages provide the nested of looping up to the 32 levels deep. एउटा if statement को भित्रमा 32 वटा अर्को if statement तिमीले लेख्न सक्छौ. तर यहाँ मात्रै मैले एउटा if statement को भित्रमा अर्को if statement लेखेको छु. The process of writing the if statement in the body of other if statement is known as nested if statement. यहाँ पनि तिमीलाई इच्छा छ भने लेख्न सक्छौ if condition 3. यहाँ स्टेटमेन्ट दिन्छौ
हुन्छ.
End if. What have you seen? यो if statement को भित्र this is if statement. यो if statement को भित्र this is if statement. The process of writing the if statement in the body of other if statement is known as nested if statement. That are also used to write a complex conditional statement in the program. Complex conditional statement in the program by the help of nested if statement. Student, exercise. Student, this exercise will try to do it of the selection statement. So many questions I have given today. Take two numbers and find a greater number. Take a number and find out negative or positive. Take a number and find out whether it is even or odd. Take a three numbers and find the greatest number. As well as one more question. Write a QBasic program to take a student roll number, name and 5 subject mark. Calculate the total mark, percentage and division. The division कसरी क्याल्कुलेट गर्ने त्यही इफ स्टेटमेन्ट को हेल्पले डिभिजन मा धेरै नगर्नुस्, पास र फेल मात्रै गर्नु होला. त पास फेल क्याल्कुलेट गर्नको लागि एउटा इफ स्टेटमेन्ट मा पास को कन्डिसन लेख्ने, अर्को इफ स्टेटमेन्ट मा फेल को कन्डिसन लेख्ने. So these are the questions. You will try to do it. Class 7 and class 10 student. Tomorrow I will discuss looping statement. Thank you very much.